Hello, this is your boy Simon Peter, Simon Snipes, and I'm glad to be here with you guys today for this video tutorial. This video is brought to you courtesy of Roy Club / the Roy Bounty program, which is making this possible, as being able to record, have access to internet, and be able to upload our videos and perform our tasks, all due to Roy Club giving us the financial support to be able to do what we do. So guys, in this particular video I'll be showing you guys how to change your trackpad settings on your Macbook computer. So as these are for the Mac users out there, sometimes you get your laptop and you're always so stressed up about how your trackpad works, whereby you want to right click and you have to, especially if you're someone who had been used like to a Windows computer, whereby if you're right clicking, you just press like once and just with one hand, and the buttons are basically click. But you come to a Mac computer and first time you're using, and you're trying to highlight something, you're trying to right click and trying to open on a new tab, and guys, like things are just not like working out, all right? And but hey, this all can be changed. We can change our trackpad settings in order for it to function the way we really want it to function. So let's, you would go and to a site, and let's say like wanted to open this on a new tab. So you would just have to right click on the link and then say open a new tab. But your trackpad apparently requires you to use two hands to right click, and it's not that touch sensitive, meaning that you can't just tap for it to do that, so that means you have to put your two hands and then you right click, then you say open on a new tab. But we're going to ease all that, whereby you can just click once. Now right now, if I just click once without using two hands, it will just load that current page. As you can see, it's just going to load it right there. Okay, so what we want is, even when I just click with one hand, it should just be able to give me the menu, and then I can select new tab. All right, so we have to go to system preferences. So we can either go for system preferences by going up to the left hand corner and clicking on system preferences, right? Or usually the system preferences is usually located on a dock, like here. You can just click and it opens up. Or you can actually just use the launchpad, and you just go to system preferences. So launchpad also just has like a list of apps, and you can also be there. So many ways to get to the system preferences. So once you have got into the system preferences, there is so guys, for people running Mac OS probably from 12 below, this system preferences menu might be a bit different, but I mean, small as the same, I think you'll still be able to identify the trackpad. So we come and select the trackpad. So the setting that we want is basically this one. So right now, the secondary click is set to click with two fingers. That is like so annoying, okay? and we can see the demonstration from here right here. So this click with two fingers is what is demonstrated, or what is demonstrated here, right? And then there is this tap to click. So this is something that is handy that I also want to, instead of having to like click, like press it down, I can just tap, you know. So this is like something that I would want to enable on my trackpad, and then this would also need to change it. So instead of saying click with two fingers, I'm going to say click at the bottom right corner, because that is where usually the right click button is. So we'll set it to the right. Then we can also activate this. All right. Yeah, and that is about it. You know, you can have other kind of settings. You can change the track speed, more gestures and things like that. But for this video, that is what we wanted to do. So we can close this. Let's get back to our site. Now when I just click, in fact, if I even just touch, see, if I just click once, and it will give me the menu. All right, it will just give me the menu, and that is exactly like what I wanted to achieve, like this. And just click once, you know, and yeah, that is how you can change your trackpad settings to match your usability, so that you can get the best out of your Mac usability. Otherwise, guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope to see you next time. So just make sure you guys get on board with the Roy Club program. Get on board with the Roy Bounty, and you know, start earning a substantial passive income for you and for your family. Roy Club is real, guys. Roy Club is out there to help you have good investment of your capital, you know. But even besides that, being able to provide you with different kinds of ways of being able to earn a passive income. So Roy Club is awesome, and thank Roy Club for today and tomorrow and forever, you know. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Can share this video. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.